This is walking in the rain this morning. This video will probably be a little shaky. I'm doing it offhand. I'm not using my soaky stick. Look at the rain falling off of here. We've been with an umbrella. It's raining hard this morning. This is a hose for propane into a restroom. I'm under awnings and roofs not along here, but still, look at the water splash. This will be a good video this morning. You have to watch where the water's dripping off the roofs. Look at it dripping into this bucket. The bucket's full. Look at it dripping here. I will have wet feet by the time I get to breakfast. I probably got wet feet already. At least damp. Okay, I'm not seeing what I'm doing on this because I have to watch where I'm walking for the drips. But I'm trying to keep it up where you can see. See the cars splashing? Water running down the streets. Now I'll go back over here and I'll be underneath an overhead awning roof that hangs out. Now I got to get out in the rain again. You can see it bouncing here on the sidewalk. It's raining hard. All right, now I'm going to go back underneath these awnings. See, some of the flat roofs, they have pipes sticking out from them to run the water off, and the water goes right off onto the sidewalk. So you got to watch out. I hope this video is good enough. I'm going to put this up as soon as I get to coffee hour this morning to have breakfast. I figure this will be a good video to put up. We're getting a lot of rain this year. I'll try to tell on this video how many rainy days we've had this year. You'll be amazed. Yeah, how many days with rain this year? That's a telephone ringing at the bus stop here. Well, actually, it's a taxi cab stand. Telephone. Over at the bus depot. Crossing another street, there's another woman with an umbrella. Here in Mexico, you have to carry an umbrella most of the time, this time of the year. Now I'm under these awnings here now, but in between them you get drips. Look at the water running off there. And see, when water's running off of there, it splashes all over you. Splashes all over the side of your pants and your shoes if you get close. I don't know how long I'll make this video, but I won't make it all the way to Al Cafe, where I'm going to breakfast. But people have asked me many times, they want to see rain. Well, they're seeing it this year. I usually have a very hard time to get it, because it usually rains at night and I'm not out walking, and it's usually raining too hard. So this is about as hard as I want to walk in the rain. Actually, the rain has slowed down a little bit now. See the drips on the buildings here? I'm trying to show the street with the cars going. As I'm walking, and show the sidewalk too. Sometimes I got it down too low, I know. It's very cloudy. Here's a man on a bicycle. He's getting wet. Buenos dias. Yeah, I know him. I see him most every day. Water running off of these awnings here. I don't know what happened there, but I had a half a picture on my screen. I had to work on it. Now here the water's running down the street. This is where I get my feet wet, because the water will slop right up against the sides of them. That was probably a half an inch deep right there running down the street. Now here's a big awning here in front of the ice cream shop, so I'm under the awning here. And now I'm back out in the rain. See, there's water here on the sidewalk is a low spot. And that's what you try to avoid. Because I can feel my feet are cool now. So I can feel that I got wet crossing that street. There goes a bus. And here comes the garbage truck picking up the garbage along here. A lot of people don't have it out yet this morning, but they'll come back around. Yeah, there's a garbage truck right there. Okay, we're all the way back down here to the plaza. Plaza's all decorated up for the monthly holidays this month. Yeah, water running right here. Dogs out in the rain, street dogs. Lady waiting for a bus. This is Tuesday morning. There's a garbage barrel. The guy's taking back the garbage. Guy just dumped it. He's a city worker. He takes care of this plaza right here, this little park. Almost to the stoplight. You people that have wanted rainy day videos and to see it rain, you sure got a lot this year, because I've had quite a few. This is the first one I've done walking like this with the umbrella. We're at the stoplight. People running that don't have umbrellas. Ten minutes of 8 in the morning on Tuesday morning. This is the 3rd of September. Here's a man with a motor scooter. Here's another place I get wet walking across the street. And if I don't watch out, I would get splashed. Now we're down here to coffee hour. I had breakfast here yesterday. I had oatmeal. Yeah, and for all you people that watch my videos that come down here or have been down here, coffee hour is closing and they're moving. Everybody has been kicked out of this half of the block. They're not renewing their leases. I don't know what's going on. The people that own the building, they're not, the furniture store is gone, and the two other little places, the eyeglass place and the other one, they're gone. They've moved around the corner. Coffee hour, she's moving it to her house. Here's the table I usually sit on right here, but I won't be sitting here this morning. Okay, I'm cutting this off right here. I'm at Al Cafe. This is where I will have breakfast. Thank you for watching this video.